Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Avalanche, AVAX, from your Coinbase wallet to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your crypto portfolio more efficiently, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase wallet with some AVAX in it, a Robinhood account that's ready to receive crypto, and a stable internet connection. Oh, and always double-check that you're on the correct network. AVAX typically uses the Avalanche C chain. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the AVAX asset from your list of holdings. This will bring up your balance and give you options to send or receive. Next, head over to your Robinhood app. Go to the crypto section, find your AVAX wallet, and copy the receiving address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Now, back in Coinbase Wallet, click on the Send button for your AVAX. Enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's less than your available balance minus any network fees. Paste the Robinhood wallet address into the recipient field, and double-check it for typos. Add a note if you want, then hit Confirm, and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. After that, sit tight for a few minutes. Transactions on the Avalanche network are usually fast, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Robinhood account to confirm the AVAX has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it a bit more time or look for any confirmation emails. A quick word of advice. Always be mindful of transaction fees. They can add up, so transfer larger amounts when possible. And never share your private keys or wallet details. If you're new to this, start with a small test transfer to build your confidence. There you have it, folks. You've successfully sent AVAX from Coinbase to Robinhood. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.